YouTube, this is Ray coming at you with the live update on what the hell's going on with this multi-point conversion. As you can see, I've already ran my injector sub harness. I've already plugged it in all nice and cherry, so it looks nice. And you know, right? Anyway, this is the harness for the wiring that I made. I'm not done with it yet, obviously. For the cylinder position sensor part of the whole project, see what you're doing here is you're moving over C1 and C2 to B10 and B12. Okay, and you're going to run these two bad boys, these two, you're going to run them to C1 and C2, and you're going to run the other end of them to the distributor plug over here. There, see how right there it says C1 and C2 blue green, blue yellow, and over here on this is the electrical for the multi-point setup already. But you go to the B side of the plug and you go B10 and B12, and that goes all the way down to the cylinder sensor. See, so this is where we're at right now, and this is what the hell it is we are doing. Well, what I am doing, son, haha. But yeah, so bear with me, don't be weird. We're getting it done. We gotta get this bitch running today, huh, Whiskey? Get it running today, huh? Get it running today. Get it running today. Give me paw. Give me paw. Give me paw, baby. Yeah, we're gonna get it running today.